Meaning of dutiful.
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 Dutiful. The word dutiful is an adjective that describes the quality of being responsible and obedient. It is used to describe someone who follows rules and fulfills their responsibilities willingly, without hesitation or complaint. A dutiful person is dedicated to their duties and obligations, such as family, work, or military duties. They strive to do what is expected of them and are accountable for their actions. Being dutiful is often seen as a positive character trait, as it demonstrates self-discipline, respect for authority, and a sense of duty.